Right, so for the second one, we want to find the points of intersection. So we're going to go back to our calculator and graph these two right here. So for y equals, we have 5 cosine of 0.4x. And again, remember, we need this to be in radian mode. So before we graph this, we want to make sure it's in radian mode, and just keep your calculator in that mode all the time. So I'll just check mode. I'm in radian, so I'm good. I want to go ahead and look at the graph. Right, so we have 2 intersection points here. And this would be a good example where we'd want to store our intersection. Like if we wanted to find the area between these two, we would need these intersection points as our A and our B. So we could store those if you wanted to store them for like alpha A and alpha B, so you can kind of keep them straight rather than just X. But to find that, we're just going to do second trace, and now we're going to do intersect. So first curve, I'm going to just hit enter where I am, enter on the other one. That's going to give us this intersection point when I hit enter one more time. And we get 0.748. So let's say we were doing area problem or a volume problem, and we needed this stored for B. I would do second quit, and then stow, and then I could do alpha B. If I go back to my graph, we can find the other intersection point. We're going to do second trace, intersect. But we need to move the cursor a little bit closer to that intersection point, otherwise it's going to give us the one we just got. So enter, enter, and enter. So we get negative 3.106. And again, we could store that for A. Second quit, stow, alpha A. Right. Then if we wanted to find the area between the two curves, or the volume, if we rotate it around, we have these values the whole decimal instead of just something rounded to 3 decimal places to give us a more accurate answer.